Good morning, dear students. Now today we are again going to revise the first chapter, and the topic is plane figure. Now plane figure, you can say that this is 2D figure, two-dimensional shape. Why it is two-dimensional shape? Because it has only length and breadth. Now the examples are rectangle, circle, triangle and square. Now in rectangle, its opposite sides are equal. So it has 4 sides and 4 corners, 4 sides and 4 corners, and opposite sides are equal. Suppose here AC is equal to BD and AB is equal to CD. Now the second is a square. Square, for all the 4 sides are equal. It has 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal. 4 sides and 4 corners, all the sides are equal. AB is equal to BD equal to DC and DC is equal to CA. Now triangle, it has 3 sides and 3 corners. Side AC, CB and BA, and corners are A, B and C. Circle, it has no sides and no corners. Now solid shape we can say they are 3D shapes. It has we can say 3-dimensional shapes. It has length, breadth and height. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere are the examples. Now solid shapes, cube, it has 12 sides, or we can say edges. So sides and edges are same. It has 12 sides, 8 corners and 6 faces. Cuboid, it has 12 sides or edges, 8 corners and 6 faces. Cylinder has 2 sides, no corner and 1 curved face and 2 plain faces. Cone, cone has 1 corner, 1 curved face, 1 flat face and 1 edge. Sphere, it has no corner and no edge. It has 1 curved face. Now symmetrical figures, as you can see, if we draw the line, this dotted line is called the line of symmetry. If we draw the dotted line, so that if the figure is divided equally in 2 parts, it is called symmetrical figures when we draw the line of symmetry. So this is a line of symmetry. You can see that if we fold it, or we can see it like this also, that both the parts are equal. So it is called the symmetrical figures. A symmetrical figure, if we draw the line of symmetry and both the sides are not equal or same, if we fold it or we can see it, it is not same. So this is called the asymmetrical shape. If we draw the line of symmetry, and line of symmetry always draw as a dotted line from the mid. So this is asymmetrical shape because if we fold it, it is not equal, it is not same from both the sides. Now mirror image is called reflection. If we can see anything in the mirror, we can see the reflection of that thing. So I have taken some examples. As you know, that examples are A same, B, we can see the B will be like this. E is also the different, L, D, 6 and arrow. So some examples are here.